Alright boys, Scotty the Redneck Canadian again, and my damn chainsaw's out of fucking gas. And I gotta take this dead tree down because it's kinda in the way. So today we're gonna do some more yard work with the rifles. I got a pound of Tannerite here. Let's see if we can cut this fucking tree in half. All right, boys, well, if you remember how high these branches were just a few minutes ago, we definitely took this tree out. We blew about a foot out of the middle of it. It's kind of tangled up, but I'll just grab a hold of it with the tractor. So, hey, look at that. You don't even need a chainsaw to do fucking tree work, eh?